Welcome back to Lisa's Luxury Corner, your one-stop to everything luxury. Today, I'm going to be going through my first unboxing for 2021. I'm really excited about this unboxing as I've been waiting for a whole month for it. So what I'll be running through in this video is my first impressions, the price, and also the service that I received at Bulgari. When I went to the Bulgari store, I was actually interested in purchasing the pink bag that Sophie Shohead had bought previously and shown on her channel. However, when I tried it on myself, I found that it was a bit too bulky for my petite frame. However, a bag did catch my attention, and it was this amazing, beautiful green galuchat bag from Bulgari. I was just not willing to settle for a display piece, so I was willing to wait for a bit for the actual piece to come straight from Italy. And luckily, a few days later, my SA had contacted me and informed me that I could come into the store. However, that bag that I had seen had a scratch on it, so I didn't want to purchase one that had a flaw on it, so I was willing to wait just a little bit longer for it to come in. Overall, my experience with Bulgari was great, and they had amazing service, and I would definitely recommend them. Now let's get to the unboxing, which is the exciting part. This is the gorgeous box. I love it. And then since it was almost Chinese New Year, they also gifted these red envelopes as well. So first, let's unbox this Bulgari box. So inside you can see that this is the receipt, and then I also received this dust bag, which looks really pretty. And this is our gorgeous green galuchat bag. I'm just speechless when I look at this bag, and it has this beautiful snake head closure that Bulgari is very famous and well known for, and it also has malachite on here as well with an enamel closure, so I just think it's absolutely beautiful. Another thing I also want to point out as well is that this chain over here is gold plated, so I really think that the quality in this bag just really stands out. So onto the price that I purchased this for. This was 5,850 Australian dollars, which is a really good price for an exotic leather bag. And also I don't require a site certificate or anything like that when I bring this bag overseas with me, which is also an additional plus. The size of this bag is 20 centimeters in length, 14 centimeters in height, and also 4.5 centimeters in width as well. So it just comes in a small size. Let's open up this bag. We have the authenticity card here. We also have a raincoat as well, which I think is absolutely amazing for the price point. We even have a mirror, which I think is amazing, and it also matches the bag as well. I'll also be showing you what the bag looks like on me in some mug shots as well. And just for reference, I am under 5'4", which is converting to under 162 centimeters. It is absolutely amazing that you can wear this as a crossbody bag or even as a shoulder bag if you double it up. So right now this is in a crossbody length, and you can also just double it up like that. Once I've used this bag more, I'll be showing a wear and tear guide and also a review of the pros and cons. Let me know if that's something that you would like to see yourself in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. To get the latest tips, please follow me on Instagram at Lisa Luxury Corner. or please visit my website at lisaluxurycorner.com.